Alright, so this video, and this will be for really any Craftsman or Husqvarna lawnmower that has this same setup. This is going to be how to replace one of these two-piece cables. Yeah, this is probably one of the worst, most poorly designed cable systems I've ever seen on a lawnmower. So we're going to have to replace it. So the first thing we'll do is, I like to undo the handle just a little bit because it gives us a little bit more slack. Pull the cable out like that. And then get a long screwdriver. If yours is still attached. This one's actually attached with a Phillips head screw. So we're just going to undo that. That's what the owner decided to do to fix it on their own. Then I just get something to pry in there. And if you follow the cable here, this is a 7/16 nut. I've already undone that. Just undo that like so. So now down here, what you can do is pull the cable out a little bit because it's disconnected from the top. With your pair of pliers, just grab that, undo that, and then you're going to compress these two tangs here with a pair of pliers and pull that right out. Just like that. So then just pull that piece out. Now we're going to have to get a 5/16 to undo this for the bag door. This is an imperative that you replace this if you don't use it, but since it came with the new one, I am going to replace it. It looks like it just disconnects from here. That was simple enough. I will be keeping this for the owner of this machine. That is still good, so there's no sense in throwing that away. That's the only issue that we had. That cable was jamming up in there. I tried to save it, but couldn't, of course. So we're just going to reconnect this. Shouldn't be too bad. And it just goes back on like that. You can see the little nub right there that goes into that little hole down below. You can see what I'm talking about. And just stick the bolt back in. So this design's actually a little improved, thankfully. But if yours came undone, this end, not this end. This end goes into the side of the block. This end just goes into this, just like that. Make sure that you bought the one with that little loop on it. So what we can do here is just throw that on and in place. Just like that. So for this particular cable, you'll need a 10mm socket, and we're just going to tighten it down. Still has free movement, so that's fine. And just like before, we're just going to throw that up and in like that. Just fine. So, feed the hook in, and then the end of the cable. Actually, I'm going to move this so it's on the other side of that. Put the cable back in its housing. This was not moving at all. When it was very little. So now we just have to put everything back in place, and it looks like I forgot to put this one and this one down in here. So I can take that off pretty easily. That's not a big deal to fix that. So I'll do that and rearrange these cables, tighten this back up. I'll meet you guys with the start. All right, so these models do not have a primer. Let's go ahead and start it. Handles down. I love how quiet these models are. So I'm just gonna run this for a little bit, shut it off, turn it back on again a couple times, and hopefully that's fixed it. If it hasn't, meet you guys with another video about it, I guess. But I think this is the last remaining issue that was fixed with this thing. So now he should have a good running mower. Stay tuned for more.